baby. Hey everybody, this is Matt Johnson. Just want to do a quick video tutorial for you on web macros. I guess to kind of give you a little idea of how you can click on links when you're not really sure what either the index number is or and this is straight out of the manual too, but it's easier and more fun when you have a video. Take for instance the @future post. A lot of times, like @future post. In this case here, it doesn't work. What it's supposed to do is click on this publish immediately button. It's supposed to click on edit to bring that down so that we can go in and change the date. But it doesn't do that. So normally the way that we would accomplish that would be to hit record button and then click on the link that we want, and it should record that and show up at the bottom. But whether it be a JavaScript or whatever the thing might be that it's in, it doesn't always do that. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to go in and find out what the URL is. So go ahead and copy the URL and then go down at the bottom here, and we're going to paste that in. Okay, and now the thing is if we were to go click or let's give it a tilde. Okay, that, and then go all the way to the back with our quotes. It's actually not gonna click on. It's actually not gonna work. Let me bring this up a little bit. Excuse me for one sec. This actually is not going to work. That wouldn't either. And I'll just show this example. See, nothing happened there. But if we take out all the HTTP junk, even do it to that level, that should work. No, I thought it might. I just did a test there. But for sure, if you take the last operative, like down by the underscore, and just do it like that for the timestamp part, and that should work. Which, as you can see, it does work. So now there's something else that you could do if you wanted to. If you still wanted to find out what that index number is, I think in this case here, since we have that working, we could probably copy it. And I mean, Control C to copy that. And in web macros, remember, you have to do a slow Control C. So Control C. All right, and the same thing like when you go to paste it. You never want to paste in web macros. You never want to paste with your other item highlighted, because it won't work. So make sure nothing else is highlighted and do Control V, and that puts that back. But my point in showing you right now is that if we go up to View and then Object Finder, this helps us find the index number. Like this one here, the @privacy is what shows up when you click on when you click on one of these, whatever ones say privacy in here. I'm not sure where it's at. Anyways, and the index number of that one is A73. So if I was to type in click space A:73, it would actually click on that @privacy link. So the same thing should work for when we have this in here. Now, let me paste in what we had up here, our timestamp one. Put that down here just so we can see it. Now if I hit Object Finder, I think it does. So see what? Now we know that the true index number is A21 for future posts. Now, you know what? If some things change around here, maybe this junk up here at the top where it has this new stuff, maybe that shifted things around, or perhaps you have something moved around in a different location. In any case, now you know what that link name is. So you could, if you wanted to, you could either keep it as click tilde quote underscore timestamp end colon. That could be what you use to click it all the time, or if you just wanted to declare it at the top, future post, which is declare @future post. Instead of 120, it would just simply be 121. Now we could have also just cycled through and declared it as 121 and kept doing it until it worked. But what happens if you're just on a site that you've never been on before and you don't know, and you want to get this writing one, for instance? This one here that goes to this writing page. All right. So if you clicked on it and you weren't able to get this, okay. Let me go down just to make a point here real quick. And you weren't able to find out that A69 was the link number. That figures, huh? Sorry, ladies. If you were to find out that couldn't find out that was a link because when you clicked on it, it wasn't coming there, what you could do is right click on it, copy the URL like we did, okay? And then come down here and go click, or not click, right click and paste that in. Type in click, A, colon, tilde, end quotes, and I'm going to bring that right down. Let's see if it works at the options page there. Okay, and then do my quotes at the end. And now we're at the writing settings right now, so just let me go to, let me back up to the previous page that we were at. Alright, and now we're going to be clicking on this writing link right now. So if I put this back here, on here, now this should bring us right to that proper page. Okay, we click on it, and guess what? It does. So when you can't find a link, the simplest thing to do is to right click, copy the URL, paste the URL back in, alright, and just use the last portion of the URL. Just use the last portion of that URL. And you already know the click, A, colon, tilde, and that right there. And now that discussions one, if I'm to press it, is going to click on discussions, which exactly is what it does. So there you go. There's your quick tutorial. You can use this methodology on any website, and it is going to save you a whole bunch of time. But this is one that I know is going to help out a lot of you guys and gals. So thanks everybody. If you're going to buy stuff, remember Matt Johnson, who's your buddy, who's your pal, Matt Johnson. So my ID is 66. My name is Matt Johnson. If you ever decide to buy some more of these awesome tools that we have here, please remember to use my name. Thanks guys, and I appreciate every one of you, and thanks for your help too. A lot of smart people here. Bye bye. Good night.